Hello students, good morning. Now in your previous period we learned the basics of your spreadsheet. Okay. Now today onwards we are going to study with the deep information on it. So on your previous web time I told you how to enter your roll number as well as your names and marks. Now today the same thing will be done but with some additional explanation. That means addition, subtraction, multiplication, such thing also will be done by using the formulas. Okay, so the first of all I am entering the roll numbers. Roll number, so two methods are there. Either we can enter one by one, roll number 1 enter, 2 enter, 3 enter. This is the first method. Just imagine if I have to enter 50 students roll number, 50 roll numbers, so it is not possible to enter in a easy way. So each and every time I have to give 1 2 3 enter, 4 enter, 5 enter, so it's a hectic thing. So there is a shortcut method for entering this thing. What I will be doing, just select this thing, that means 1 2 and 3. If I want, see, 1 and 2, and then just keep on. Now you have to keep your mouse pointer, take your mouse pointer over here. Now you can see this, there's a small change in your symbol, mouse pointer symbol. Can you see? Right now it is in a arrow button, arrow pointer. When I'm taking to edge of it, you can see the plus symbol is there, change in symbol. Okay, so after that just select mouse, left click and drag it. Automatically you can see till roll number 10 automatically has been done. In the same way, if I want to enter 100 students roll number, 100 till 100, if I want to enter the roll numbers, it is a better way. Instead of entering roll number 1 enter, 2 enter, 3, so it will be taking more time rather than this. Okay, so this was the first thing. Next is your marks. Suppose if I am entering max, science, English, computer. Okay, and after all I need total. If I want marks 25, 35, this is these are your random marks which I have entered. These are my random marks, it's not actual marks, so I am entering it by using the autofill method. This is the autofill method, which makes our work easy. Okay, now I have entered my marks. Okay, that means roll number 1 according to my data. I hope now you can see in a clear way. Okay, so according to my data, I'm having roll number 1 is getting 25 marks in max, so science 30, English 40 and computer 35. If I want this marks to be added, that means total marks. So just imagine if I'm trying to calculate in my mind, it will be taking lot of time. As we all know, we all are not as Shakuntala Devi to count in easy way. Still, what we used to do, we will be using the formula. How? Equal to, either we can use, say, so what we will be doing, we will be using a formula where in total I will be starting with equal to symbol, and in equal to, after writing equal to symbol, you can see the cell address. That means you can see which address is this, B2. Okay, that means I am getting the marks 25 in B column second row. So B2 plus, now next is here I want this marks C2 plus, select it, D2 plus, and now E2, then give an enter button. You can see automatically I am getting the total. That means you can say 35 plus 40 plus 30 plus 25 is equal to 130. It is an easy way. Again, if I want, I am explain it again, equal to symbol. Now if I want second, roll number seconds mark, okay, B3 plus C3 plus D3 plus, and last one is E3. After you know that after E3 you are not having any marks to enter, just give an enter button, automatically you will be getting the total. This is your first method where we can give the total addition. One more method is there. See, okay, once you complete this thing, that means totaling has been completed. Now you can see at the top bar, as I told you, this is your formula bar. Now this formula bar is having the formula which is inserted in its memory. Now automatically now we have to do autofill method. Autofill method, how? Just imagine if we are doing the same process, that means equal to B4 plus C4 plus D4 plus E4. That means if I'm having 50 students roll number, so it's not possible to do easy way. So what I will be doing this thing for one cell. That means already I have done for two cells. This is for first and second cell. Now for third cell and fourth cell, what I will be doing, just I will be selecting one cell in which formula has been inserted. Okay, now after clicking on it, after clicking on over here, you can see there is nothing is been, no address, or I mean no formula is viewed. So if I'm clicking over here in 143 or 130, you can see formula is there in formula bar. Can you see? That is a B2 plus E2 plus D2 plus E2. Okay, so I will be using, take the mouse pointer over here, and now you can see the mouse pointers has been changed. It was a cursor, mouse cursor. Now you can see the plus symbol is there. After getting the plus symbol, just left click on your mouse and drag it down. Automatically the whole thing, that means your totaling can be done. This is your autofill method. Now you can see each and every time I don't want to use my formula. Just once I have done my formula and I got the perfect thing. Can you see? Alignment also be done. Okay. See. Now if I am having 50 students, 50 students marks I am having, so automatically I have just drag it down, automatically the whole 50 students totaling will be done. This is the best way for using, or I mean for totaling the thing. Understood? Now in case if this was your addition, now in case if you want to do multiplication also, you can do the same thing, nothing else, just write the total. Now if I am to multiply, this is a multiplication, just a demo only, which is not in your textbook. This is an additional information I am giving you. Equal to symbol, same process, just select the cell B2 into C2 into D2 into, and last one is a E2, then give the enter button. This is the multiplication. Now you can see in calculator also. Wait, I will be showing in a calculator. Say 25 into 30 into 40 into and 35, answer is this. See, same amount is with the, okay. Now as I told you before, we will be using the autofill method. Okay, for autofill, now you can see after clicking on second or third cell, I am not getting any address over here in address bar. That means my cell is not having any kind of address. Now if I want to give that address, say in your first cell, you can see address is being displayed over here. Now just use the autofill method, just drag it, automatically whole multiply will be done. Understood? This is your addition and multiplication method. Now suppose if I want to do multi division or addition of particular cells. That means if I want totaling of just only maths and English subject, I want just the total of your maths and English subject of each and every individual students. So what I will be doing, total marks of maths and English. Okay. Equal to, now what I will be doing, I want to get the totaling, that means max marks, max selected, now plus symbol. Now if I want English marks, just don't select science, I want English, that means English is 40, that is your D2. I will be clicking on D2 and just give the enter. Automatically you will be getting the marks, that is just 65 marks. That means 35 plus 30 is equal to 16 marks. The same process over here also, just use the autofill, automatically the whole marks will be entered. Understood? In this way you can use your autofill method just for your addition, multiplication, and for subtraction also. You can use the subtraction also. Okay, now I will be using subtraction also over here. Subtract equal to, which cell I want D, that means English minus science. I will select the cell English minus science, here to give enter 10, that means 40 minus 30 is equal to 10. The same process I want to do, same process, but one more thing, right now I am not having that particular cell, that means I am not having roll numbers over here, that's why I am not getting the value. Okay, suppose if I am, instead of this total marks in maths, I am using the subtract. Okay, equal to English minus science, entered. Now just use the autofill method. Sorry, yeah, I will be getting the whole thing 10 marks only, because 45 minus 39 10, 48 minus 38 10 marks, that means the whole thing I will be getting in this way. Suppose if I am changing over here from 40 to 50, it is just given enter, automatically you will be getting the changes over here, and over here also totaling has also been changed. Suppose if I am having the correction, that means suppose if any student is getting 37 marks in computer, okay, due to my mistake I have given him 35 marks, automatically just I have to enter 37 and just give an enter button, and you can see the total has been changed, 42. Instead of before that it was 140, now it became to 142. Okay, that means there is no need of doing again and again totaling or addition or subtraction. Just use this autofill method, automatically your formulas will be selected and applied to each and every cell, which helps the user to use in a better and proper way. Okay, this was your today's topic. I hope you all understood, and remember, according to your textbook, it is just an addition only. Okay, but for your additional knowledge, I have explained you multiplication, subtraction, and all these things. Okay, thank you, students.